Introducing Prexiso laser measurement tools with a wide range of options that make it easy to take simple measurements or measure large, complicated areas. The P10 laser distance measurer is the world's first pen laser and is the perfect companion for quick measurements around the house or on the go. The Prexiso Professional line takes measuring complex areas to the next level, with measuring distances ranging up to 200 feet and the ability to accurately measure distance, area, volume, Pythagorean theorem 2 and 3-point measurements, and multi-surface areas. Prexiso measurers are built for ease of use, with a bright laser and large reverse backlit LCD display. The Prexiso PLT 15 2-in-1 laser tape combines the traditional tape measure with the convenience of a laser measurer, so you can quickly measure long distances up to 15 meters with the laser, and then short distances using the tape when there's a need to physically mark your work. The family of Prexiso laser measuring tools provide the perfect fit for builders, real estate agents, surveyors, or just to have around the house.